Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to convert or migrate CommuniGate mailbox. First of all, download now BitRecover CommuniGate Migrator Wizard. Use BitRecover CommuniGate Migrator Wizard and get these ultimate features. Create separate PSD per user. Maintains original folder structure. Pick specific destination path. To change CommuniGate folder language. Install and run BitRecover CommuniGate Migrator Wizard. More details check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. Check the configured CommuniGate mailbox's user data if you have CommuniGate email account running on the machine. Now, please select the required folder from the configured CommuniGate account. Now click on Next. Here, the tool shows all the folders from your CommuniGate account. If you want to convert multiple users' CommuniGate mailboxes, then click on the previous button and do that. Now check the I am converting multiple users option. You can also take help of Shift button to select multiple users' mailbox. Now click on Next. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program keeps the folder hierarchy in the PSD file. Now click on Next. Saving option will help you to export the CommuniGate mailboxes into various email or file formats you require. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including PST. Select PST option. This option will allow to create separate PSD for each CommuniGate mailboxes. If you want to change the language of email folder instead of English, then choose it. Here, you can change the destination path as well as the resultant in PSD file. Now click on Next. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Here you can buy and activate software. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to destination folder and check output file. Converted PSD file. Go to Outlook. Go to File menu. Click on Open and Export. Then click Open Outlook date file. Select PSD file. The program kept the folder hierarchy intact. Converted emails. Thank you for watching the video.